team F8 from SR Mama from Chennai. We consist of A. Sowmiya, Priya and V. Varadharajan. So what we did here is a AI-powered resume evaluation with real-time intelligence. So what we basically do is transform a hiring process with cutting-edge AI that evaluates resume against job description in seconds, usually under 3 seconds. It provides actionable insights that rival enterprises HR tools. So we'll move on to how it works. Step 1, smart job analysis. In here we actually upload the job description and look out for the AI to identify skills, requirements and priorities in real time with animated visual feedback. We'll move on to step 2. Step 2 is intelligent resume processing. We upload the PDF or a Word document of resumes for instant text extraction, analysis and live progress tracking. Step 3 is results. We will view our evaluation with interactive radar chart, competitive analysis and AI generated actionable feedback. So what are the key features in our program? First thing is real-time processing. We process things in real time, so all the processing gets finished under 3 seconds. Hybrid intelligence, it uses both the data from the resume and manual input. And interactive visualization, we use radar charts, market positioning and score breakdowns. We use enterprise grade analysis, which means multi-algorithm scoring with semantic understanding. And we also use actionable insights, AI generated feedback for both recruiter and the candidates. We'll move on to the tech stack, which Soumya will explain.
So we built this project using Python, Streamlit, Google Gemini AI, spaCy, NLP, and advanced visualization library. The resume JD analyzer solves the resume screening inefficiency through AI-powered automation. The system combines multiple technology, spaCy for skill extraction, Google Gemini for semantic analysis, and custom algorithm for scoring. The core innovation is hybrid intelligence. The system merges AI extraction with human inputs, resolving conflict transparency. When AI detects different experience levels than manual input, it explains which source it uses and why. The architecture processes resumes in under 3 seconds through parallel workflow. Text extraction, skill categorization, requirement matching, and compatibility scoring. Real-time processing provides immediate feedbacks as analysis progresses. Now let's see a live demonstration. Here, the resume is analyzed within 3 steps, such as the job description, and the resume is uploaded through this tab, and the results are viewed here. Now you can either upload the job description through already loaded sample data, or else if you don't prefer that, you can just upload it manually by giving reset all, which will clear all the existing data. And let's just paste it right here and save the job description. Now we can go to upload resume, where we will upload the resume of our choice. The application will show the extracted text from the resume, and it will also show the number of skills found, which are Git, MySQL, and etc. And we can hear.
Yeah, so we use hybrid intelligence, which basically means it takes input from two different sources. One is from the resume we upload, and one is from the user input we take here. Now we'll move on to the analysis.
Here we can see that the uploaded resume does not match the job description very well. So that's why it gave only 47 out of 100. That means a low score match. And if we scroll down below, we can see that.
Uh, if we scroll down below, we can see the different components. So it analyzes different domains in which scroll can be relevant. First is skill matching, which basically means the required skill in the job description and the required skill in the given skill in the resume. Domain relevance is basically means what are the domains the user knows, the resume knows, and what are the description the job description needs. Experience match, which basically matches the experience from the job description and the resume, and education match, which basically does the same.
It also shows the processing time, which
Uh,
is relatively low. And here through this tab, we can see the hybrid data.
Yeah, so hybrid data, as I said, it takes two data, one from the user, which can be inputted manually, and one from the resume, which the AI auto detects. So if both of them matches, it takes one data. So if we see here, in the resume is also 0 years, and the manual input also 0 years, so it takes one data. But if the input differ, let's just say the manual input was 2 years, it might take the 2 years because it's more relevant to the job description.
Through this tab, we can see the AI feedback, which is the recommendation to the user so that they can match more to the job description. We can see that the user has a strength in data science tools, databases, cloud platform, but needed more improvement in programming languages as it has low match and needs more strength in big data tools. And and I can see if we scroll down below, we can see the skills the user need to develop more, such as Scala, PySpark, etc., C++ more. And if we click reset all after viewing everything, it will clear all the data which we inserted so that we can insert new data. Everything is gone now so that we can insert fresh data.
Yep. So in the side of the website, we could actually see the system status and the LLM service. We actually use Google API, which has a 50 data limit per day. So right now we use 16 and we have 34 remaining. So we could see that too. So how many resumes we can analyze through Google 1.5 Flash. But if it goes out, we can use a lower version of the Gemini.
Features robust error handling and graceful API feedback and responsive design. Now we'll move on to the requirements we used in this project.
Start.
So the requirements we used here are Streamlit version 1.28. The purpose is for web application framework for the entire user interface. It is used in the folder main py, which is inside the folder app for creating the web interface, forms, and file uploading. Um, we used PyMuPDF version 1.23. The purpose is for primary PDF to text extraction library. We use this in PDF parser.py for extracting the text from the PDF resume. Uh, we used PDF plumber version 0.1 for the purpose of fallback PDF processor for complex layout and tables. We used python-docx version 0.8 for the purpose of primary Word document parsing. We use docx to text version 0.8 for the purpose of lightweight fallback for docx text extraction. We use this requirement in the docx parser.py folder, and we use natural language processing spaCy version 3.7 for the purpose of advanced NLP for skill extraction and named entity recognition. We use this requirement in the text processor.py. We used NLTK version 3.8 for the purpose of text processing toolkit for tokenization and language resource, and this is used in text processor.py. And we used AI integration layer LangChain version 0.1 for the purpose of framework for building AI application and workflow orchestration. We used this in LangChain pipeline.py and LangGraph workflow.py. It's got a feature of LLM chain, prompt templates, and memory management. LangChain Google Gen AI version 1.0 is used for the purpose of Google AI integration for LangChain framework. We use this requirement in LLM service.py, and and we use Google Generative AI version 0.3 for the purpose of Google Gemini API access. We use this one in LLM service.py for AI powered thematic analysis. It's got a feature of text generation, thematic understanding, and content analysis. And they used more requirements such as python-env version 1.0 for the purpose of environment variable management from the .env files, and we use fuzzy version 0.18 for the purpose of fuzzy string matching for approximate skill matching. We use this requirement in the keyword matcher.py for finding similar skills from different spelling server. We use Python 11 train in 0.2 for the purpose of fast editing, edit distance calculation for string similarity. We use NumPy and Pandas for the purpose of numerical computations and data manipulation and analysis.
We'll move on to the system architecture or the code we used. Most of the primary code we use is within the app folder, so you can actually see the system architecture here. So now we'll move on to the app folder, which has the main PY. Main PY, which is basically the primary application interface built with the Streamlit. It contains the user workflow, job description input, and resume upload and results display. It handles the file processing, call evaluation, services, and manages such a step for multi-step workflows. So you can see the whole code here. It's actually like close to 600 lines. Now we'll move on to the config.py. Config.py is centralized configuration management. It loads the environment variable, sets file paths, differentiates scoring weight, and manages API keys, and uses python.env for environmental variable handling. We'll move on to database.py. Database.py uses SQLite databases operation using raw SQL queries, manages job description, resumes, evaluation, and audit log. It includes method for inserting, retrieving, and analyzing evaluation data. Now we'll move on to the system architecture or the services file. Services file, which has a lot of folder within it. We'll first look into parser pdf parser dot sorry file. Oh fuck, இரு அதை கட் பண்ணிடலாம். Now we'll move on to the services which actually has a lot of services within it, which like we initially wanted to use a single big program for this, but then we split it apart so it looks cleaner and easier to debug. So for the first one, the services, it's actually file parser actually is used for document processing coordination that routes PDF and docx files into appropriate parsers. It returns structured data and extract results with metadata. The second one is PDF parser. Oh, give me a minute. The second one is yep. The second one is PDF parser. PDF parser, it basically extract the text from the PDF using PyMuPDF as a primary method, with pdfplumber fallback. It handles various PDF format and extraction edge cases. And the next one is docx parser. It basically evaluates the Word document processing using python-docx library with doc2text as a backup, extract text from paragraphs and tables. The next one is text processor. It uses an NPL engine using spaCy and NLTK. It performs skill extraction, experience parsing, education level detection, and keyword analysis. It uses IDF for important term identification. We'll move on to LLM services. LLM services is basically Google Gemini's API integration with rate limiting and code management. It includes comprehensive error handling and fallback to rule-based analysis when API is unavailable. For example, when the AI model runs out of the queries it can use. Then we'll move on to the keyword matcher.py. Keyword matcher, it uses a multi-algorithm text matching using TF IDF, BM25, and inspired scoring, and fuzzy string matching via fuzzy. It combines exact and appropriate matching approaches. The next one is scoring.py. Scoring.py is basically a scoring service. It uses hybrid evaluation system that integrates LNM results with rule-based scoring. It resolves conflicts between started and manual data intelligently. The next one is vector-sto. Vector-sto. Uh, vector-sto originally is a ChromeDB integration, now implemented as a fallback service due to SQLite version constraint on deployment platforms. The last one is Langgraph. Okay, the last one is Langgraph workflow. Uh, it's a workflow orchestration using Langgraph for structured evaluation pipeline, manages step-by-step processing with error handling and state management. That's it.
Through the README file, we can see the features which are real-time magic, advanced visualization, AI-powered intelligence, and premium user experience. Through quick start, we can see the required prerequisites such as Python 3.8 or higher, preferably 3.11, and Google Gemini API key. And for installation, we require three methods. Method one is standard installation. Method two is Docker installation, and one-click deployment. Configuration requires environmental variable and advanced configuration. The usage for this application is basic workflow. That is enter your job description, upload your resume, and view results. It can also analyze your performance. And through this structure we can see the detailed structure of our folders that was required for this project. And the technological stack, as I told before, are the Streamlit for the front end. For back end, we used Python with fast API, and for AI/ML we used Google Gemini API for semantic analysis. And here you can see the system architecture, and these are the testing and deployment, etc. And performance, you can see benchmark resume processing is done in less than 3 seconds per document. AI analysis takes around 2.5 seconds depending on the API availability. And optimization features such as catching, uh, progressive loading, etc. For security, we have done input validation, strict file type and size validation, rate limit, API call, throttling per user, uh, and contribution. We have like we have given like for user to complain to us, etc. For contact information we are given. And now these are the general FAQs. Is this free to use? And yes, it is free to use. Anyone can use this application by accessing through the Streamlit server. What file formats are supported? Currently, the application only supports PDF and DOCX file. We will work on adding more formats. How accurate is AI analysis? Our hybrid approach combines multiple AI models with rule-based system. Therefore, it can achieve around 85 to 95 accuracy in most scenarios. Technical questions are, can I use this without an internet connection? The answer is partially. The core matching works offline, but AI powered semantic analysis requires internal connection. Deployment question: can I deploy this for my company? The answer is yes, you can, absolutely. The MIT license allows commercial use. Consider the enterprise's deployment option for production use. For support, you can contact either me or my teammate. Both of our emails are given here. And these are the roadmaps we have currently, through which we will work on it later.